Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. Let us see economic current affairs of both Telangana and India. So those who are watching me for the very first time, a small advertisement for all of you. Please don't mind for it. This is a small ad here. You can be a part of two expertise subjects that I generally teach. One is economy and Telangana movement. If you are being a part of it, you will get SNT as a free complimentary lectures along with the current affairs for women weekly or per course you can have, and the rates are different. For the women you are having lesser prices for the courses, and for general who want to pay, women who want to be in the general and want to pay exactly the same like men, you can do that. Okay, the classes are going on and it has been a rolling batch. There is nothing like recorded classes. First of all, live classes will be given to you. Then if you have missed the lecture, and many of the students who have missed the lecture, then I will be giving the real life classes. Okay, I want you to learn with me. If even you are unable to attend in the real life classes, then the recorded lectures will be given to you. Okay, so we are having good amount of time. Don't wait for the notification to come. When they come, there won't be any time left to study, and thronging to the institutes and trying hard your bet at that point of time will not yield any results. It's better that when you are aware of the things, and when you are true that you have to get into the examination for sure, it is important. You have to act faster and get into what learning mode at the earliest. So let us discuss three important current affairs today. One is Telangana Tourism Plan is there. After that, we will be talking about GST 2.0 reforms. Then we'll be talking about another important index that has been released, that is economic freedom index. As you know that the economic current affairs I have been discussing. Don't think that I'm leaving any of the economic current affairs. As I always say that Telangana current affairs or economic current affairs, I am not leaving any bit of it, even if it is regional Telangana current affairs or India or international whatsoever. Economic, I am covering everything. Okay, Chalo. Telangana Tourism Plan has been released by the CM Revanth Reddy sir. He was holding this plan in his hand when the pictures were being taken of him. Telangana, he said that Telangana in this particular plan, it was properly given that Telangana has a potential to attract investment with regard to tourism worth 50,000 crores. Minister for Tourism Jupali Krishna Rao, he said that 30 projects has already been proposed, and which can generate up to 50,000 jobs. So employment is there, investment is ready, minister is also ready, projects are also ready. 14 projects are there which will be developed together by government and the private sector, whereas 16 projects are there which will be done only by the private sector, and the amount of money which is being invested at this point of time under these 30 projects is going into what, almost 16,000 crores. So this is a very broader objectives or targets you can say with regard to Telangana tourism plan. Now let us see what are the various initiatives are there in that. Film in Telangana to encourage film tourism. A designated medical tourism zone will be there, and promotion of destination weddings as Anantagiri, Nagarjuna and Somasila. So if you're planning to get married, so please go to the Anantagiri or Nagarjuna Sagar Somasila. It's a destination wedding, whatever you wanted to have. ఓకే లైక్ वो है ना అది సెవెన్ ఫియర్స్ తీసుకుంటాం కదా, అవి కూడా అక్కడ మండపం ఉంటుంది, అన్నీ ఉంటాయి, ఒక హాల్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక వాట్ ఐ సే ఇస్ అర్ క్యాంటీన్ లైక్ ఈటింగ్ రూమ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి దేర్. సో డెస్టినేషన్ వెడ్డింగ్ మీన్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి దేర్, నో నీడ్ టు వరీ. A medical value tourism portal will also be launched to streamline patient journey. Okay, we want a lot of people to come to Hyderabad to get their treatment done. Along with that, Telangana culinary accelerator to highlight state food culture. So that is also we are trying to promote the food of Telangana. A special tourist task force of 90 members has also been constituted in order to make the tourist destination secure and safe. Luxury wellness tree retreat at Anantagiri in collaboration with Josam Piti, Singapore and Zen Resorts, Bali, Indonesia. If they are coming means these are going to be very highly relaxing retreat for sure. A vineyard resort offering visitors walkthrough from a grape harvesting to bottling, means how they will cut the grape, how they will pack the grape, how they will sort the grape, how they will crush the grape, how they will make the juice, all of that will be there. Okay, the complete process you will be taken. 2,000 crore expansion of Ramoji Film City is also being done. International hospitality brands like Intercontinental, Ascent Regis and Oberoi are also set to make their entry into Hyderabad. At this point of time, Hyderabad has the biggest hotels in the form of Hyatt, in the form of Telangana Taj Kishna, Taj Bandara, Novotel, but we do not have this international luxury brands are not there. They are coming to the Hyderabad, so all the couples are there, and those who are going to get married, those are married. Very good place to just spend time. Taj Safari experience at Vikarabad, a waterfront resort with Mahindra Holidays. All of these are going to be a part of Telangana Tourism Plan. Okay, right. This is a very important index released yesterday only. So all of you guys who have been continuing studying the UPSC, preparing for TGPSC or UPSC, pause the video and try to do this particular question. Even if you don't know the answer or if you have not studied with regard to this, the main thing that a student should do is at least study the statements. It will be there in your subconscious mind. So that minimum practice you have to do by yourself. Which one of the following statements are correct regarding the economic freedom index? Okay. Singapore topped the index among 184 nations in 2025. India was ranked in top 50 globally in the latest index. The Index of Economic Freedom is published annually by Heritage Foundation. The rank is determined by factors like rule of law, government integrity with regard to its policies, rules, protocols, and regulatory efficiency. How fast you are going to get the approvals the moment you get apply for the what a production unit, how fast your grievances will be resolved. That is only called as regulatory efficiency. How fast the inspections will be done, and market openness means how much market government of India has opened for the private sector, whether it is 49%, whether it is 70%, whether it is 100% FDI, etc. So and so forth. So all of these factors are the part of economic freedom index. So you have to choose the correct code. These are your options. So please pause the video and try to do. The next topic is there. We can answer it. The Economic Freedom Index 2025 highlights global rankings on economic liberty. With Singapore retaining the top spot, India ranks a low 128. It means India is not in top 50. So the second statement that we have learned is absolutely wrong here. Okay, this is the wrong one. Okay. Whereas Singapore is the right statement. The Economic Freedom Index published annually measure the degree of economic liberty, assessing factors such as rule of law, property rights, government integrity, regulatory efficiency, open market. So in and out, this is a very true statement. The fourth statement of our question is also right here. The second one is wrong here. The 2025 index reviewed policies from July 2023 to June 2024. In this period, they will review the policy of all the countries and rated countries out of 100 score. Okay, so India is ranked 128 with a score of 53, which is like okay more than half, but still which is very low, and which is also lowest in 7 years, and falling into the category of most unfree category. Means our economy is most unfree category. Okay, who is gonna believe this, right? So what is your answer here? The first one is right, and you know that very well. Second one is wrong. Second one is there here. Second one is there here. So we are having 134 or 14. So your answer here is 134. Now we are having GST 2.0. In the examination, they are going to ask in which GST meeting. So make sure that this is the 56th GST Council. Don't forget the number of the council. Chaired by Finance Minister, obviously Nirmala Sitharaman Madam. She has merged the 4 slabs into 2 main categories. Alongside created another category of sin tax bracket, which is of 40%. So 2 category for all of us, 1 category for the people who are having lots of money. 5% slab is for the essential goods like groceries, cereals, pulses, etc. Whatever you take. Okay, potato, okay, or the atta, groceries. In Ratnadeep में क्या मिलता है वही याद है नहीं. 18% slab for most other goods and services. So 5% में जो नहीं है वो 18% लो अन्य उन्नय अनिमाटा. 14% slab is for the sin goods, which is not tobacco. Sin goods are those goods which are not only harmful to us but harmful to the environment also. Okay, then it is also called as sin goods. Tobacco, alcohol, betting, online gaming. The government expects a short term. Obviously, if all these 4 brackets has been removed to 2 brackets, government will definitely lose revenue of around 48,000 crore. But government is saying that okay, we have increased the expanded a taxpayer base. Taxpayer base have expanded. Number of people who are paying the taxes will be expanded if it is only two slabs, as because the taxes has been decreased, people will buy more. When people will buy more, the more tax will pay to the government. Monthly GST collections has already grown from 82,000 crores in 2017 to 18 to 2.4 lakh crore in 2025. So all the Indians out there and the Telangana's out there, we are consuming a lot. Okay, with regard to what products, it says like that. The 5% rate covers daily needs, agriculture goods and healthcare equipments, Dolo 650, etc. Products like electronic appliances, small cars, motorcycles with less than 350 cc are now subjected to lower rate of 18%. Please, which one of the following examples falls under which rate? You should be knowing it. They can ask you any question. Zero rate will be what applicable on individual health and life insurance. We don't have to pay any GST on it. So 23,000 GST, 23,000 rupees of insurance and pension means you don't have to pay 1 rupee also. Besides, the zero rate applicable to dairy products and 33 life-saving drugs aims to provide huge relief to the consumers. Obviously, there won't be charges on 33 life-saving drugs like cancer, maybe diabetics drugs, etc. So you will be having very, we don't have a GST rate only. It means to be our life expectancy will increase. The new rates are effective from September 22, 2025, the beginning of what? Navratri. I hope this is all clear to you. I'll come with more economic current affairs. Stay tuned for latest current affairs and updates. Signing off, this is your educator, Sayyid Shujatullah. Jai Telangana, Jai Hind.